Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious spinach salad for weight loss. Spinach is a fantastic base, offering very few calories, but a wealth of nutrients like vitamins K and A and iron. Its high fiber content is key, helping you feel satisfied and reducing the urge to snack between meals. This simple, yet powerful, salad can be a cornerstone of your healthy eating plan, supporting your weight loss journey effectively and deliciously. To build your perfect weight loss spinach salad, start with about 2 cups of fresh baby spinach. Next, incorporate a lean protein source. 3 ounces of grilled chicken breast or chickpeas works wonderfully. Add 1/2 cup of colorful, non-starchy vegetables like bell peppers or cucumbers for extra vitamins and crunch. Finally, select a light, low-calorie dressing to keep your meal healthy and flavorful without adding unnecessary calories. For a truly weight loss-friendly salad, your dressing choice is crucial. I recommend a simple homemade vinaigrette using lemon juice and your favorite herbs. Steer clear of heavy, creamy dressings that can quickly add hundreds of calories. For healthy fats and texture, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of sliced almonds or walnuts. A small handful, about 1/4 cup, of berries, like strawberries, adds delightful natural sweetness and antioxidants. To maximize your spinach salad's benefits, always wash and thoroughly dry your spinach and other produce. This ensures a crisp texture and removes any impurities. Chop all your ingredients into uniform, bite-sized pieces for an enjoyable eating experience. For optimal freshness and to prevent sogginess, assemble your salad just before you are ready to eat. Incorporating this delicious and nutrient-dense salad into your regular diet will greatly support your weight loss journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.